Hi everyone. Today we're going to learn about the concept of line integral and let's just see what it is. So basically line integral is integration of f vector into dr vector where let's just tell me what where r vector is x into I cap plus y into j cap and dr equals to dx I cap plus dy j cap, and the value of f is given in always given in the question. So let's just see how we're going to solve this thing. Okay, let's just solve this thing. So in the question it is given that value of f is x square minus y square I plus xy j cap. The question is evaluate the line integral, and f is given and c is arc of a curve where y equals to x cube in the xy plane from point z this to this 0 0 to 2 and 8 to n. So let's just see how we're going to solve this one. As I told you earlier, r value of r is x I cap plus y j cap. Value of dr is dx I cap plus dy j cap. And now let's just solve this thing, which is f vector into fr vector into I'm sorry dr vector. F vector into dr vector will be equals to, let's put the value of f vector, which is x minus y square, which is x square minus y square I cap, x square minus y square I cap plus xy j cap. This is the value. Now let's put the value of dr vector. Value of dr vector is x dx I cap plus dy j cap. We have put all the values. We have to just solve this thing, and we have put all the values. Now let's just solve the question. On solving the question, we're going to multiply I with I, j with j. So when we multiply I with I, we're going to get x square minus y square into dx. At the same time, we are going to get xy into dy. Okay, now we are going to start integrating it, since the question says a line integral. Let's just integrate it. Let's just integrate it. So basically one a very simple question. So let's just see now. Here it is x, so we're going to take the limit for x. For x is 0 to 2. For x the limit is 0 to 2. Let's see for y. For y limit is 0 to 8. For y limit is 0 to 8. So for integrating we have to put this this thing with respect to x. So we have to put the value of y square here. We have to put the value of y square here in the first one. The value of y square will be x to the power 6, x to the power 6. Let's just put x to the power 6. And for the second one we have to put the value of y. So let's we have to put the value of x. So let's see what the value of x will be. Value of x will be y 1 by 3 when the power will be there, and you guys are smart enough for that also. Okay, so for this we're going to put y into y 1 by 3 dy. So now we can solve this thing, and also the limits which we had is 0 to 8. Now let's just, before solving I want to simplify this thing more so that solving this thing can become easy. Now nothing remains, just simple mathematics there. Oh, I'm sorry, I should write dx. That was a human error, small human error. Okay, let's just simplify this. This will become by 2 power 4 by 3 dy. And now let's just integrate it. When integrating this, it will become x to the power 3 by 3 minus x to the power 7 by 7, and the limits will be 0 to 2. And this integration will become 3 by 7 y to the power 7 by 3, and the limits are 0 to 8. Limits are 0 to 8. Okay, now let's just put the limits here. When you put 2 into 2 into 4, put the 8 by 3 minus when we put 2 to the power 7 by 7. Okay, we have to solve this by scientific calculator basically, because in examination we are allowed to use the calculators. All the calculators are allowed. The fun part is just solving these questions. So I'm going to solve this thing in a scientific calculator, and you guys should also solve this in scientific calculator, because it will ultimately going to save a lot of time of yours. So let's just solve this. On solving, my value is 824 upon 21. Yeah, that is my value on solving this calculator. So let me know if your answer is same as 824 by 21 or not in comment section below. Thank you for watching, and let me just tell you one more time what we have to do. This question is of line integral, and line integral is basically equals to f vector into dr vector. Value of dr vector is this. Just put this, multiply this, values will get this. Now limits, putting the limits and just making it in the x respect and bringing in the y respect, we're going to get the answer. It's a very simple question. It hardly come in exam, but it's very important to know this thing. So thank you for watching. Thank you, and do let me know if you have any doubt or something. Thank you.